Hi guys, today is gonna be the episode number 8 of Le Joueur d'échecs, and unfortunately, it might be the last episode. The problem with them is that I release them once a week. If I would have prepared all of them and then I release all of them at the same time, it might be interesting for the student because then the student can be like, oh, I want to look at them for 2 hours today and maybe for 2 more hours in 2 days and can learn a lot and follow the story. But like this, like with one paragraph, one page every single week, then the dynamic is different, and I guess only like advanced students who just care about really the vocabulary and the structure of the grammar and learn a little bit from it might be interested. Tell me if I'm wrong, and I can continue if there is enough interest. Maybe in the future we will see. It's not gone. I will leave them obviously on YouTube and we'll see where it goes. But I'll try to find something different when it comes to reading and compression of text. Maybe newspaper articles, then I can discuss it in French after the reading. We will see. So today I will read in French, I will translate it to English and give extra information, and on the left side and on the top comment you're gonna see the vocabulary. Mais comment un si prompt succès n'eût-il pas grisé une cervelle aussi vide, conclut mon ami, après m'avoir conté quelques traits caractéristiques de la puérile suffisance de Tchentovitch. Comment voulez-vous qu'un petit paysan du Banat, âgé de 21 ans, ne soit pas ivre de vanité en voyant qu'il lui suffit de déplacer des pièces sur une planche à carreaux pour gagner, en une semaine, plus d'argent que tous les habitants de son hameau n'en gagnent en une année de bûcheronnage et autres travaux éreintants. Et puis, n'est-il pas diablement aisé, en fait, de se prendre pour un grand homme quand on ne soupçonne pas le moins du monde qu'un Rembrandt, un Beethoven, un Dante ou un Napoléon ont jamais existé? Ce gaillard ne sait qu'une chose, derrière son front barré, c'est que depuis des mois, il n'a pas perdu une seule partie d'échecs, et comme précisément il ne soupçonne pas qu'il y a d'autres valeurs en ce monde que les échecs et l'argent, il a toutes les raisons d'être enchanté de lui-même. Ces propos de mon ami ne manquèrent pas d'exciter ma curiosité. Les monomaniaques de tout poil, les gens qui sont possédés par une seule idée, m'ont toujours spécialement intrigué, car plus un esprit se limite, plus il touche par ailleurs à l'infini. Ces gens-là, qui vivent solitaires en apparence, construisent avec leurs matériaux particuliers et à la manière des termites, des mondes en raccourci d'un caractère tout à fait remarquable. Aussi déclarai-je mon intention d'observer de près ce singulier spécimen de développement intellectuel unilatéral, et de bien employer à cet effet les 12 jours de voyage qui nous séparaient de Rio. Let's go for the English translation right away. There is not much to say here. But how such a quick success, prompt, also exists in English prompt, success, n'eût-il pas grisé une cervelle aussi vide? Griser, I would say it's like to fuck up, to mess up with a brain, cervelle, the brain, that is, cerveau is the brain, aussi vide, so empty, said my friend, after he told me some characteristic traits of the puerile sufficiency of Tchentovitch. How is it possible that a farmer, a peasant of Banat, who is 21 years old, don't be very proud of himself, ivre de vanité. Ivre is when you are drunk. So drunk of vanity, it's an image. When he sees that when he just have to move pieces on la planche à carreaux, the chessboard, it's the board with the squares, in order to win in 1 week more money than all the inhabitants of his village. Hameau, it's a village. That the money that they make in 1 year of cutting woods. Un bûcheron, it's a wood cutter, the people who do this for a living. Et autres travaux éreintants. Éreintant, it's grueling, that's very difficult. And also, et puis, is it not diabolically easy in reality to consider yourself a big man big in a sense, like important. N'est-il pas diablement aisé, en fait, en réalité, de se prendre pour un grand homme quand on ne soupçonne pas le moins du monde, when you don't, when you don't know, when you don't even consider that those people there exist. Rembrandt, Beethoven, Dante, or Napoleon, they are saying big names here, and so they are saying that this guy Chentovich, he doesn't even know that those very famous people exist because he never had a chance to study, he never had a chance, maybe he never seized the occasion to get information about all those people. So if they are not very important people, he thinks he's like the king of the world just by moving his pieces, just by playing chess and making money, when in reality there are people who are a lot more important than him. Ce gaillard, this dude, this guy, ce gars, also, it's synonym, ne sait qu'une chose. He only knows one thing. Derrière son front barré, c'est que depuis des mois, il n'a pas perdu une seule partie d'échecs et comme précisément il ne soupçonne pas qu'il y a d'autres valeurs en ce monde que les échecs et l'argent, il a toutes les raisons d'être enchanté de lui-même. So, in month, depuis des mois, he didn't lose one single game of chess. He won all of them, and that's possible. That's realistic when it comes to chess. If you take any other game, almost any other game, even that involves skill, but also just a little bit of luck, so not like chess, it's impossible. But with chess, it's possible not to lose in 6 months. It's completely realistic. It has happened before, and it's gonna happen again in the future. Et comme précisément il ne soupçonne pas qu'il y a d'autres valeurs, and so he doesn't even imagine, he doesn't even realize that there are other values in life rather than chess and money. He thinks it's all about chess and money because he lived in this world, he became famous like that, he got attention, and with his money he can buy stuff, he can buy clothes, whatever he wants. Il a toutes les raisons d'être enchanté de lui-même. He has all the reason to be enchanted, like to be fulfilled with himself, with what he did. Ces propos de mon ami ne manquèrent pas d'exciter ma curiosité. So what the friend said excited his curiosity. Ne manquèrent pas, didn't miss the occasion to. Les monomaniaques de tout poil, monomaniaque, c'est quand on fait une seule chose. Monomaniacs, it's people who do only one activity. Mono, one single, and maniac, maniac, it's like when you are crazy about something. So you do only one thing, like intensely and just that, and the rest doesn't exist. Like this guy with chess. De tout poil, c'est de toutes sortes, of all sorts. Les gens qui sont possédés par une seule idée m'ont toujours spécialement intrigué. He's saying that the people who have always one idea always intrigued him. Car plus un esprit se limite, because the more limited one's spirit is, plus il touche par ailleurs à l'infini. The more it's connected to infinity. Ces gens-là, qui vivent solitaires en apparence, those people that they look like they live in a solitary manner, construisent avec leurs matériaux particuliers et à la manière des termites, des mondes en raccourci d'un caractère tout à fait remarquable. They build with special materials. Here when they say materials, of course it's intellectual materials, it's an image. Et à la manière des termites, and just like termites, the animal, they are building worlds, des mondes en raccourci. Un raccourci c'est a shortcut. D'un caractère tout à fait remarquable. Un caractère, like criteria, like the personality of it, very remarkable. Aussi déclarai-je mon intention d'observer de près ce singulier spécimen de développement intellectuel unilatéral. So he's saying that he's gonna get interested into it. He has the intention to observe this thing from closer, de près, from close. And he's saying développement intellectuel unilatéral. Unilatéral meaning just on one side. It doesn't, he isn't developing himself he's not reading, he's not going into nature and trying to build something out of wood or he's not doing everything that he's supposed to do, or maybe try to cook. No, just one thing, chess, unilatéral, one thing, one side. Et de bien employer à cet effet, and to not employ, like to use here, à cet effet, about this, les 12 jours de voyage qui nous séparaient de Rio. So they need 12 days to go to Rio, and he's gonna make the best out of it by studying this Centovic guy and tell about it. So that's it for today. And really, if you like the series, let me know, because some people told me it's good for their vocabulary, but as a viewer, I can imagine it's difficult to have just one episode per week, and it doesn't make much sense to me to continue if it doesn't make sense for the viewers as well, because I'm not doing those videos for me. I know this book, I read it once in the past, and that's just to share a bit of knowledge the way I can. And if you have other suggestions, like regarding reading, it can be newspaper articles, it can be short stories, like an entire short stories that would be longer, but that might be interesting. I don't know, you let me know. Bye bye, take care.